Hi Gina, so here are some comments and feedback for your assignment too. Mm, well, based on the feedback and comments you got from forum or the critique, I can see you make a lot of improvement, and I think your design kind of you make it richer and you add more gradation in your work. But I think, well, I can see you're using single visual pathway, right, and double visual pathway graded within. But here, I think you need to be aware of, because here is not a gradation. Um, are you doing the C shape or you're doing this shape? Because your design is a little bit hard to follow your the gradation. Because, for example, like this one, um, this this darker area, and you gradate to the lighter area, and but there is no. It's a little bit hard to follow. There is any gradation, and it's just suddenly jump to the kind of lighter value here. So high contrast is a little bit hard for people to make the connection of the continuation of these two color. The two values, because so one of the important thing for continuation is if that two values they kind of similar, share some similarities, and people can visually make the connection of the two values. However, I think one reason for that is because these two pathway they overlap that pathway. This is the first thing, and then here is another pathway. It's also to some point overlap this pathway as well. So three pathways, they're overlapping on this pathway. So I think it's kind of big proportion of this on this pathway. So it's a little bit hard for me to read this is the pathway here, and you're doing the continuation here. And besides this, this starts. You start with like super hot, super dark area, a dark value here. I would recommend you probably can just make that opposite way, because here could be lighter area. You could use this one here and this dark area here, because now they're having the high contrast here, and this because all the surroundings they're all lighter value. It's kind of wet-ish and light gray-ish values, but this one that's super dark. So it could be interpreted as a figure on the ground, and this is you don't want in your design. Um, Here as well. Are you doing the this way pathway gradate with the and one reason for that this one doesn't work because here is double visual pathway gradate with the and this this two value and this two value they kind of really similar. They're really similar. So we can visually make the connection of this is a continuation. So I think you need to figure out the way to fix this part. I can see here is a visual pathway, and you're using graded kind of, well, you're trying to use the continuation, but this one doesn't work that well. It's just kind of overlap this vertical pathway and this vertical pathway, but here the two values really it's kind of similar, and there is no gradation here. So I know it shouldn't have any gradation, but because these two values they're too close, so it's a little bit hard for people to catch what you want to do. Um, yeah, avoid high contrast in your design. It could cause a figure ground ambiguity problem. Let me know if you have any other questions of your work, and I would like to help.